How to recover TikTok messages. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can recover your deleted messages on TikTok. So, without any further ado, let's begin. First, open up your TikTok. After you open it up, tap on your profile section on the bottom right. After you do that, tap on the three lines on the top right and go to Settings and Privacy. After you're there, you will see the account and tap on it. Now right there, you will see download your data. Now tap on download your data. Now what will happen is first you will need to request your data and TikTok will give you the data and it will be available in your download data section. Tap on request data and here select the file format. Tap on file format and make sure that you select the text format. After you do that, you can select data to download. Tap on custom and here you can select messages. Tap on done and you can request the data. After you request the data, TikTok will send you data and then you can simply download it. As you can see right here, tap on download, you can select it and you will basically have retrieved your TikTok messages that you have deleted. And that is basically all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.